and I have these listed on my YouTube channel as well.
Mhm.
But The Body Keeps the Score, How to Win Friends, Think and Grow Rich, Rich Dad Poor Dad, The Compound Effect, and Atomic Habits. So if you do one book a quarter, right, that will take you like a year or 2 years, and you will be a whole new person every quarter. Like, I don't know how, there's nothing more important that I'm going to say after what I just said. That's why I always start with the personal growth, because my career, like, drastically changed when I turned 27, when I had a mentor start giving me these books. Everything I have done from 30 onward, I could have done from 20 to 30 if I had those books as the foundation. But my house was on such shattery foundation, it always would collapse. Once I redid the foundation, once I got on those books, they literally changed my life and let me be a better person, a better artist, but you're also an entrepreneur. And so it gets you thinking like an entrepreneur. Okay? So tip one for your career and for your grants, 100% is personal growth. And part of that personal growth is, moving on in the face of a no, in the face of a rejection. Going on with your release, even if you didn't get the grant. Okay? So that's my first tip, personal growth.